how to drop items in Sons of the Forest. So you cannot drop individual inventory items on the ground in Sons of the Forest. However, there are 3 specific scenarios where dropping works differently. So first, let's say when you're carrying a large object like a log. So as you can see, I have some logs right here. So you simply need to press G to drop or throw it just like that. And let's do it again. As you can see, I have now dropped the item. But do note that if you're holding a tool like an axe right here, pressing G will unequip it and put it back in your inventory, not drop it on the ground. Same goes with large stones like this. So if you click on G, you will just basically throw it just like that. And since you cannot drop an item for a friend to pick up, what you can do is just basically go and approach your friend and hold E on their backpack and you will see a prompt. After that, your inventory will open where you could click an item that you want to give them. It will be transferred instantly on their inventory. Next is, let's say if your inventory is full and you need to offload items, you can like create a storage shelf right here and just add the materials just like that. So as you can see, there's a prompt that you could use. So hold E and now you could put a bunch of items right here. So let's say I want to put my MRE packs right here on my storage just like that. I could also put my cereal or like my canned food right here just like that. Though there are a few specific items you can throw away, but this is considered using them. An example is golf balls or grenades, molotovs, and other small materials. And that is how I basically drop items in Sons of the Forest.